In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your avatar in Arena Breakout. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you open up Arena Breakout and from the lobby you tap on your name or your icon at the top left corner of the screen, you will be able to tap your avatar once again to see it. Over here you will notice that there is no option to change this avatar, so what you have to do is first you need to link your game account to either Facebook or Google. So open up the settings at the top right corner of the screen and select Account Management. Over here you will be able to link different services, and like I said, in order to change the avatar you need to use your Facebook or Google account. As of today, the way your avatar is displayed inside of Arena Breakout is it's going to get the linked account and use the avatar that is displayed on that account. So as you can see, I have Facebook connected, and the avatar I have on the game is my actual Facebook profile picture. So the only option you have to change this avatar, because there is no button available, is to change either your Google or Facebook avatar. Keep in mind that after you make the change inside of the respective app, it's going to take a while to upload inside of the game, but as long as you change your avatar on Facebook or Google and you sign in using the same account, after maybe half an hour, this avatar inside of Arena Breakout will be updated. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your avatar in Arena Breakout. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.